Hey guys, it's Cody Gamer here, and welcome to my first toy unboxing. Yay! So today we are unboxing Funko Pop Marvel Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 Ego. Basically I got this in the hospital, basically. And so, yeah, this was from my IV. So yeah, so let's unbox it. Alright, so let's get this out of the box. Hold up, wait. Alright, so here's Ego. There's not a lot you can really do with this since I broke it, but this is the only thing you kinda can do with him. He works as a bobblehead.
Right.
So that was it for my toy unboxing. Bye.